To utilize balance transfer checks for debt consolidation, start by checking if your credit card issuer sends these checks by mail or if you can request them from your account. If neither option is available, contact the customer service number on the back of your credit card. Follow the automated prompts and ask to speak with an agent to request the checks. Once received, use the balance transfer checks to pay off another card by writing a check and mailing it to your credit card issuer, ensuring all details are accurate. After the payment is approved, you will receive a notification of its success. However, before proceeding, it's essential to review the terms to avoid incurring additional interest. Remember that using balance transfer checks does not eliminate your debt, so it's crucial to avoid overspending and make timely payments. By following these steps, you can effectively use balance transfer checks to consolidate your debt and manage your finances more efficiently.